In JavaScript, the array length property holds the length of an array, but the length of an array isn't as simple as you might expect. First, we'll need an array, so let R equals an array with 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The simplest part of array length is as simple as you'd expect. If we console.log r.length, then run the code, you will indeed get that r is of length 5. However, bizarrely, you can assign a different number to length. If, before the print, we do r.length equals 6, then change the print to just print r, then run the code, you'll see we've added an empty slot to the end of the array. Also, if we do r.length equals 3, then set it back to 5 on the next line, then run the code, the fourth and fifth elements will become empty slots. It should go without saying, but unless you have a very good reason, I would say you probably shouldn't use this modifiable array length feature of JavaScript. This has been Jacubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.